How's it going, everyone? Well, I've been super tired this week, but I got invited to go play this weekend, so I'm going to try and get this propane set up on here, and hopefully I can test it out this weekend. I got maybe a week or two, and then I'm going to head over to Reader. So be a good time to test it out and see how she does. So let's get her done. Well, I got the mixer on. I still got to hook up the throttle linkage and everything. And then the regulator is on. I reconfigured how I had it from the first time. I used a couple different elbows and everything's a little more compact and looks like it'll flow a little better. So yeah, I just got to hook up the main hose that I'd been waiting for from there to the mixer, hook in the heater hoses, twist 2 wires, and we'll see if this thing's gonna run. Well, I just set this tank on the floor, got a line running up to all my stuff. She's running, fired right up, sounds pretty clean, so that's the best this thing sounded for about 6 months, so I'm pretty excited. I think tomorrow I'll get this tank mounted, get all my old fuel tank and everything out of the back, and I don't think it's going to take up any more room than what I already had, so yeah, I'm pretty excited, and I think I'll be ready for Saturday, and it's some pretty good stuff we'll be doing, so we'll put her through the paces, so stay tuned. I don't think Sanford's ever idled this low, and I think I could get her down lower, but I actually should be able to do a little creepy crawl now. I think this thing's always idled about 1,000, 1,200, just kind of wherever it depends, but yeah, it's kind of had a mind of its own, but I am super happy with this.